We have a 2000 Komatsu forklift. The model is an FG35ST-6. This is a 7,000 pound base capacity forklift. Runs on propane fuel. Has a Nissan TB12 6-cylinder engine. Has cushion tires, good for use on solid surfaces. The drive tires are traction cushion tires to give you a little bit extra grip. It's an automatic transmission. The mast is a 3-stage mast. It's 86 inches collapsed. It'll lift to 185 inches. That's just under 15.5 feet. It has 42-inch long standard forks, a load backrest attachment. The mast has tilt function forward and back. It also has side shift function, move the fork carriage side to side. And there's a fork positioner function as well to spread the forks automatically in or out. Very convenient function. This forklift has been fully serviced and is ready to work.